Hello, my name is Glenn Hayward, the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Yesterday, one of my techs came to do a brake job on a vehicle. I said the brakes were grinding, and so it was a Dodge RT performance vehicle. And apparently, someone had done the brakes prior, and when they did, they made a huge mistake. They didn't actually measure to see if both rotors were the same size. So I'm going to tip these rotors up right here. These are the brake rotors. This is what these pads grab onto when you step on your brakes. So when you put these two rotors together, you can see one is almost an inch smaller than the other one. So when this was put together, these pads are supposed to be the size of the rotor, as you can see. As you can see on this one, this pad was overlapping the outside of the rotor, which not only wore the pad, making it dangerous because only about 3/4 of the pad was touching, but it went metal to metal and it started grinding, and you can see how it destroyed the rotor. And on the other side, it didn't completely destroy it, but it wore it down because it's the wrong size. And so, you know, it's a buyer beware world out there. I don't know the name of the company that installed these, but apparently the tech wasn't paying attention. They ordered a pair of rotors, and the rotors, they didn't check to see if the part numbers were correct, and they put the wrong rotor. It fit on the wheel, it fit over the lugs, but when they put it together, it was the wrong size. This made a very dangerous situation because this went metal to metal. The car was pulling, the guy didn't know why, and finally the brakes just wore out, went metal to metal, and he came to us to have it fixed. So when we discovered that, I had to do a video on it because this can happen when a tech isn't paying attention or the parts guy isn't paying attention and the wrong parts are installed on a vehicle. Even though they fit to some degree, it wasn't the right combination of brake pads and rotors. Made it a very dangerous situation for this driver and owner. So it's a buyer beware world out there. Go to a quality shop that makes sure that they double check all of this stuff before they assemble your vehicle and send you out on the road in a possible, dangerous situation. So once again, come see us at Good Works Auto Repair, where we always make sure that we're putting the right parts on your car every time you come in.